Hello, today I am hungry. For my review, I will be taste testing protein brownies. Don't tell me you haven't heard of Bites Protein Brownies. They've got 19 grams of protein, 5 grams of collagen, all kinds of delightful flavors, but I have not tried them all. Today, I will be sampling all 4 because I am hungry. Let's give them a shot. I've got chocolate glazed donut, chocolate cookie monster, birthday cake blondie. I'm very excited for this one. This is a cookies and cream blondie. Without further ado, I will be chasing these with one of my favorite electrolyte drinks. This is the Pure Kick or PK Hydrate. This is strawberry watermelon. It's got 0 sugar, electrolytes, easy portable packet. So let's mix that up first. It smells like fresh strawberry. I love it. Ooh. Okay, first impressions. It's not exactly a smooth glaze frosting surface, right? It's all cracked and stuff. I will note, I've been carrying these around for quite a while. They've been jostled. Point being, if you're going to be putting these out at a party, maybe not the most aesthetically appropriate look. But we're here for the taste and the feel. I'm going to start with the one I've had before, which is the chocolate glazed donut. Got my handy dandy cutter here. This is by Joie. If you don't have one of these, it's awesome. So nice and easy for cheese, vegetables, brownies. Here's the slice. That looks pretty good. Nice and dense. I like that in a brownie. Okay, down the hatch. It's good, very chocolatey. These are low sugar, but they're plenty sweet for me. I do not need an ounce more sugar. The frosting, this one's kind of melt in your mouth. On to chocolate cookie monster, but first, a little palate cleanser. These do slice really nice. Here's the cross section of this one. I like it more than the glazed chocolate donut. Same feedback all around for all the other stuff, but I like this one better. Okay, what's next? Between the brownies, I like the chocolate cookie monster better. Chocolate glazed donut, also good. Pretty much just tastes like a brownie to me. Chocolate cookie monster has like a little something extra. It almost tastes a little more buttery maybe. Okay, let's move on to the blondies. Starting with a birthday cake. It does look really beautiful. Look at that. You can see the funfetti in it. Ooh. Okay, now I'm intrigued, but palate cleanser. So the frosting on top, kind of dry looking, but the moisture in the blondie seems like it'll make up for that. Let's do it. Not a fan, and I don't know if it's because I don't love the birthday cake flavor and everything. Definitely my least favorite so far. Okay, last but not least, drum roll, cookies and cream blondie. I am most excited for this out of the 4. Oh, hello. Okay, so we've got kind of like a caramel colored frosting on top, and then look at that, the gradient. But I'm guessing that's the cookies and cream layer, and then the bottom is, or it's just dried out. It's not dried out at all. Like, look at this, super moist. Okay, I'm gonna eat it. This is it. I like it a lot. Clear winner out of the blondies is the cookies and cream blondie. I'm gonna have to test between the chocolate cookie monster and the cookies and cream. Okay, it's the final showdown. Between the chocolate cookie monster and cookies and cream blondies. Try the blondie one more time. Smooth, buttery. Okay, it's good. And here we go. Chocolate cookie monster. It's very close. I gotta hand it to the blondie. That's my favorite out of the 4 that I tried of these Bites Protein Brownies. This will fill me up. These are heavy, guys. Like, I could definitely do this as a quick meal replacement. But yeah, cookies and cream blondie wins it for me. I hope that was helpful. Enjoy your brownies.